Okay guys, this is LED dimmer 20 volt. It will work on 20 volt. 10K watt LEDs, white LEDs. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. There is no need for that. This is 1K. That's the 1K. 5 1Ks, 5 LEDs. This one has positive. This goes positive LED. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So up to here and in the center put a 1K. 1K resistor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 LEDs, 5 1Ks. Yeah, this one go up to here. This is negative one, and that's positive. I'll check it. It's given 19.2 volt. It's not blinking. See, the camera is showing like that. So 19.3 volt. That's my battery charger. I can check everything with that. Over here the components, 2 voltmeters, what is the thing? So anyhow, it gets over here. Yeah, LED dimmer. All the way forth. Only one LED will work. Just a one. Thanks guys. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon. Have a good day.